What's the story with Intel?
Well, the biggest news that they're making right now is their Intel Core Ultra, which is this new processor used for PCs. So it's going to bring AI to PCs. Originally it was called Meteor Lake. You don't need to know all of the names, but this is big news because they claim it's going to be the most power efficient chip that will allow, let's say you, Dom, to access a generative AI chatbot on your PC as opposed to having to tap into the cloud. And then that takes more time and requires more energy. So they're saying this is more energy efficient. These PCs with the new chip will be available as of December 14th. So that's the biggest news. There's some partnerships too. Really, he came out on stage and literally did some push-ups. He coined a new word, the siliconomy, which means that our entire modern economy will be based on silicon because of the importance of semiconductors in the near future as everything continues to be connected. Also said he was a Swiftie fan, but I really think the stock reaction that you're seeing right now, down about 2%, we were expecting, or we're hoping, investors, we're hoping to hear a little bit more about its foundry business and who the main customer would be for the foundry business, because they just said they signed on. He hasn't talked about that just yet, but that was part of the reason why the stock has been climbing higher just over the last little while. Foundry business, here in the United States, good for business, especially as tensions continue to ramp up with China.
It's not just about China, though, right, with Intel. This is also about a company that has never seen the glory days of the dot-com era like many other companies have. Intel and Cisco, two Dow components, have really been the laggards in that big tech trade. Competition's part of the story, Carrie, but why is it that people still don't really want to own Intel, and what could actually change their minds?
Well, some people want to own Intel, particularly value investors who are looking for some technology. It's the largest component of the S&P. It's a stock that trades at a low multiple. The problem with Intel is it's been left behind. It peaked in terms of excitement, enthusiasm, charisma in 1999. And, that's a long time ago. But there are new investors who really don't remember that, and they say there's something here. What I think is somewhat concerning, when everybody is talking about the cloud and talking about digital transformation, and they're talking about PCs and embedding in devices, I think that leaves a confusing message to investors.
So, Sarat, there are some things when we talk about the retail access to artificial intelligence, maybe was the best way to put it, at least for the time being, that this is a total addressable market, a TAM, that could be ginormous. That's a technical term. If you could put the AI chatbot type technology in the palm of everyone's hand or on their desktop themselves. So why is it not appropriate to get so excited about something like that when it comes to Intel?
Because your PC is one of the biggest deflationary purchases you make. We don't spend more and more on PCs every year. You spend more and more on your iPhones and other things. So for them to get pricing power to say, you've got a special Intel inside chip, that worked a couple of decades ago. Yeah. It's going to be very hard if they have got a great marketing machine and they can do it and say, this chip, this PC has the AI chip, but Samsung does not, or something else. So investors are saying, show me.
All right.
Show me the story.